Hey guys, I'm Kate, and in this video I will be reviewing a book on color theory by Nita Leland, Exploring Color Workshop. First of all, before I go into any detail, I want to say that this is a must-have book for any artist in any medium if you're serious about your art. This is the 30th anniversary edition of the book. It's a paperback and a glossy cover, and I got mine off Amazon for just over £13. This is the second edition of the book. The first one was published in 1998 and had only 144 pages, whereas this one has 176. It's a very beautiful book with lots of beautiful images in it, so it's kind of an eye candy for any artist as it is. The author managed to deliver clear, concise, and at the same time very organized book in which every page is as invaluable as the next one, and it is a technical art manual aimed at teaching you everything you need to know about color, regardless the medium. The whole book is divided into 9 chapters, and each chapter is divided into parts, each part taking a separate page or a spread, so it's easy to follow and you can easily find information on a particular subject because it's not spread throughout all the book. You do not need to read it from beginning until the end. You can open the chapter that interests you the most at a given moment and read it, but to get the most out of it, I would suggest you read it once from cover to cover, and then you can jump around and follow the exercises in order, however you prefer. This brings us to the next awesome thing about this book. Not only does the author provide the theory, she also gives you clear instructions and exercises. You will find 90 exercises in total, each an important lesson to learn about color. I strongly suggest you do all of them, because only by doing will you truly learn the theory. Furthermore, you will also find 8 step-by-step demonstrations on how to apply what you've learned. So that's kind of awesome. You do not need to be in art school to understand this book. Every aspect is elaborated and explained so that everyone who is a complete beginner will understand. And another cool feature is the glossary of art terms. You will learn what's a fugitive pigment, or what reflected light is, what's a simultaneous contrast, and what are split primaries, and so on. At the end of the book, you will find an index, which is really handy when you are trying to look up a particular thing, like saturation or opacity or anything else, as well as an index of color exercises. And you will also find the color index guide, giving you a list of colors in all its hues and together with pigment names and pigments they usually consist of. Not only is this book beautiful, but it is a wonderful reference material and a guide to which you will be coming back again and again. If you're looking for a book that will help you learn color theory from A to Z, this is the one. Hope you found this review helpful, and if so, click the like under the video. Let me know in the comments which art books are your favorite and if there is a book you would like me to review. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao!